Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and transform your photos in Canva. It's a fantastic tool for all your design needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva offers a wide array of features that make editing photos a breeze. To get started, let's dive right into Canva. Once you're on the platform, locate the image you wish to edit. Your first step is simply clicking on that image. This action will open up a menu with several options for you to explore, making your editing journey that much more dynamic. Next, you'll want to click on the Edit Image button. This is your gateway to Canva's editing suite, where all the magic happens. One of the most popular adjustments is applying filters. To bring some artistic flair to your photo, click on Filters. This will present you with various filter options you can choose from. Each filter provides a distinct mood or effect, allowing you to transform the look and feel of your image entirely. Experiment with them until you find the one that captures your intended aesthetic. After you've played around with filters, consider enhancing the image's depth by clicking on Shadows. Here, you can select from options like Glow, Drop Shadow, Outline, Curved Edges, Page Lift, and Angled Shadows. Each option gives your photos a unique touch, adding dimension and interest. Don't be afraid to try different combinations to see what works best for your photo. Let's move on to Backdrop. Selecting this option allows you to adjust elements such as the blur amount, which can help in creating a focal point for your image. Blurring less important parts of the image can draw more attention to the subject. You can further refine your image by adjusting the direction settings, allowing shadows and other effects to be positioned just right. Now, let's talk about color. To change the color of various elements within your image, click on Color. This feature allows you to match your image with your brand colors or simply experiment with different hue adjustments. Changes in color can serve as a powerful tool for mood alteration and thematic consistency. Lastly, fine-tune your adjustments by playing with the intensity setting. This enables you to control how pronounced your colors and filters are, ensuring the overall appearance is just as you envisioned. With these steps, you have a robust foundation to edit and transform your photos creatively and efficiently in Canva. Remember, the key to mastering anything is practice, so keep experimenting until you're comfortable with all the features Canva has to offer. Happy designing!